804 is a structural polyurethane adhesive that has increased flexibility to help withstand movement and vibrations. The polyurethane formulation makes it ideal for bonding composites, metal and wood in applications that will be exposed to harsh conditions. It is a 2-component 1:1 ratio adhesive that can come in varying cartridge sizes as well as bulk options. Pyrok 804 has a gradual cure time that will reach handling time in 45 minutes. However, a faster curing version is available if needed. Good flexibility, excellent adhesion to various substrates, fire retardant option available. It contains diisocyanates, it can be slow curing, and it still has limited flexibility. Is Pyrok 804 a good adhesive for you? If you're looking for a strong and impact-resistant structural adhesive that can bond a wide variety of substrates, then Pyrok 804 is a perfect product for you. If you want an adhesive that doesn't contain isocyanates or has increased flexibility, there are plenty of other options available in our product range. If you want more information about Pyrok 804, please download the datasheet.